Hello, welcome back to Sassy's Cuisine. If today your first time here, I give you a warmly welcome and please stay with me. And if you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to do so very quick, yes, and like and share. And also don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. Today we are going to do something simple. Yes, it's very simple. We're going to bake donuts. We have two types of donuts. We have the baked ones and we have the fried ones. So I'm going to show you how to make my favorite donuts, and it's the baked one. So I have here with me my margarine. I have salt to taste, just a pinch will do. I have icing sugar. I have vanilla extract. I have milk. I have 3 medium size of eggs. And I have my flour. That's soft flour. This is not flour for bread. We normally use the hard flour for breads, but this is a normal pastry, so I'm using the soft flour. So stay with me, and if you don't understand anything, kindly leave it in the comment section and I will do answer you. So what I will do is to first sieve my sugar. Yes. The next step is to cream my margarine and my sugar. So I'm going to do that 5 minutes. So I'm scraping everything inside and re-cream it. So I'm done. I'm going to add eggs to it. So my egg will go in now. My other eggs will go in. So I'm adding the flour to it. Add the flour and vanilla extracts, pinch of salt and baking powder. So you gently stir your mixture. So I'm going to add my milk to it. adding the rest of the milk to it. Okay, so this is the consistency that I want. So my donuts paste is ready. So I already have my machine plugged. So this is my donut machine. You have to preheat it and grease it, slightly grease it with butter or margarine. You can even use oil. So this is it. Close it for 2 minutes. Then you just put in your paste. So this is my paste. So when doing this, the machine becomes very hot, so you make sure that you don't hurt yourself. So I think I'm ready to cover it. Wow, it's ready. Okay, so this is the first batch. I'm going to bake the other ones. So you cover it for 3 minutes and you check it out. The last batch of our donuts are ready. I'll remove them now. And see, if you see anything like this, it shouldn't scare you. We are looking out for a round donuts like this. And if there is excess, don't throw it away. Trust me, this is my favorite part. You just take your scissors and try and shape it. Okay, don't waste anything in your kitchen. You can shape it neatly and nicely. Okay, and these things can still be taken as donuts, maybe donut biscuits or something. Just give it a different name. Okay. You see how spongy our donut is? Yes. Thank you so much for staying with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And hey, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying with me. Till we meet again. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.